Hello, Ms. Roberts here to explain a tool listed on our Digital Learning Day document. And that tool is Padlet. It's listed under grade 5. And I'll go ahead and read the task to you. And I do want to say all the hyperlinks listed on this document works with a smartphone. So if you do not have a device at home to use, you can still do these activities and participate in Digital Learning Day just by using your smartphone. So let me go over this. Grade 5, watch who wrote that paragraph, so they'll click the link, watch the video, and then here's the task. Identify parts of a good paragraph and post your response to the 5th grade Padlet. The password for this Padlet is Cougar. So again, the web address is hyperlinked into that word. So once you click it, it'll take you to the site. And they're going to ask, what's the good word? So the good word is our password. And I'll go ahead and type that. And it is Cougar with a capital C. And press submit. And it will take you to this page. The first thing you do on the Padlet site is you find your teacher's name. And I'll just pretend I am in Miss Boyd's class. I'll press the plus, and for the title, I type my name. Now I'm going to go ahead and answer this question where it says, identify parts of a good paragraph and post your response. So after watching the video, I'm going to write my answer. My response is, a good paragraph has a topic sentence. Now, no need to upload anything, add a link, search on Google, or even upload a photo. We're going to leave it as is. And I want to talk about this box at the bottom, this yellow strip where it says requires approval. Once you're done writing your answer, just press the enter button and leave it as is. No need to change anything. It requires approval because we as the teachers want to make sure that something safe and kind is being posted to protect everyone's safety. So that's it. That's Padlet. Thanks for watching.